Mayan sa mga kawani ng DPWH na nabanggit sa itaas ay paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang delivery ng pera ay para sa kaisaldi ko na dapat at least 25%. Si Kong Marvin Rillo naman ay ilang beses na binabanggit ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez bilang kanyang malapit na kaibigan. 25. Sa tuwing umiinom kami sa wine story sa BGC at sa Shangri-La Mall, sinasabi pa ni Kong Rillo na lahat ng kanyang request para sa pondo ay galing pa mismo sa unprogrammed funds at insertion na inaaprubahan ni Speaker.
Good day. In the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, contractors Sarah and Curly Discaya dropped a bombshell. They named several lawmakers and officials from the Department of Public Works and Highways, accusing them of demanding kickbacks in flood control projects. According to the Discayas, the so-called standard cuts ranged from 10% up to 25% of the project cost. They also claimed that some officials linked the kickbacks to a certain Zaldico. Among those mentioned were congressmen from Pasig, Quezon City, Bulacan, and even party list representatives. Several DPWH regional and district engineers were also identified. The Discayas said contractors were pressured to cooperate or face project delays and possible termination. But those accused have denied any involvement. Some lawmakers call the allegations baseless, while others vowed to file libel and perjury cases against the contractors. This controversy comes at a time when billions of pesos are allocated for flood control projects across the country. Projects that are supposed to protect communities, not line pockets. We'll continue to follow this developing story. This is Handa Ka Na Ba? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.